Hello, it's Oleg from VanTourist video blog, and in this video I will install a grey water tank under my Sprinter van conversion. Let's roll! I ordered my grey water tank from the local plastic PVC manufacturer and I paid for it about $300 and they made it just in 3 days. They claim it's super strong and it could handle a whole weight of the car on this tank, so I hope it will be fine for my camper van too. And with help from my friends I need to install the water meter in this tank and mount it under my van. Big thanks to my friends that helped me install this water tank and film this video. Before mounting my tank, I installed a water level measurement sensor in a cup of a tank, and I made another video about the sensors. I will give you a link into the description, but now I just install and test it so you see how they work in this particular tank. Also I add 2 holes for the air. Next I put all the fittings to the tank. That will help me drain water out from the tank and fill it with water from my shower and kitchen sink. It looks like the tank fits into the place perfectly. I will mount my tank with this metal strip in a plastic cover. I just screw it with 3 screws on each side, and in total it will make 10 metal strips. Then I put water tank into the place and connect metal strips under it with my rivet gun by putting 5 rivets into each metal piece. This rivet gun I use works with just a normal drill, so it was very fun and easy to put all these rivets into the place. I will give you a link in the description to this rivets adapter. Next I did all the plumbing. I connect siphon that goes from my shower tray to the inlet of this water tank, and also I connect there the hose that goes from the kitchen sink. It was very hard to operate in this very tight space. To connect my plastic pipes to the metal inlet of the water tank, I use some kind of garden hose adapters with a lot of silicone inside. I hope that will keep water inside. For the good thing, this place doesn't have any pressure, that's just a gravity water. And for the last thing, I add some rubber pads between my water tank and metal strips. That will help with water tank vibrations, and also it will protect my metal strips from the instant force that could generate this water tank on the bad roads. These pads will soften the force and my metal strips will not break. I hope. That's all for this video. I know this water tank installation wasn't the very best you could find around, but it was the best I can do with my hands without special tools and services. Maybe in the future I will visit some special service and ask them to mount my water tank again with some metal profiles and welding equipment. But for now it's okay. I'm sure it will hold nicely. It's not so much weight in this tank, so these metal profiles, metal strips will hold it very good, and I'm sure it will be no problem. Thank you for watching, I see you in next videos, and bye.